So now we have earned, we need to withdraw. You can only withdraw if available balance is more than $5. Like you can see the button to get paid because I've surpassed the $5 requirement for all the completed videos and the validated one. If you can see there are some in green those are waiting to be validated. So click get paid. You put your PayPal email. This is where the money will be sent to. Then you click confirm and your money will be withdrawn. So you just have to wait for a few days and you get your funds into your PayPal account. So and as you withdraw, you can continue to accept campaigns. So if you log into your PayPal or you get an email from PayPal, then you can log in and withdraw to your preferred method PayPal. Thank you.